Hi, Brittany here with Vibrant Rose Digital Solutions. Thank you for letting me take the time to make you this video today. There's a few things I want to go over with you, and I don't want to take up too much of your time. And after this video, if you could just possibly give me some feedback, it would be greatly appreciated. So the things I want to go over with you today are called content, backlinks, and citations. So the content is going to be anything that's made up on your front page here, any wording that you use, any photos that you use, how you save those photos, and what's behind those photos are all a part of your content. Now, Google does like to see about 1,500 to 2,000 words on a homepage. Within that content, you want to add the keywords that you want your business to be found for. So a keyword is anything that someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. In your content, you can place these keywords throughout to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found for. That way you can start to rank for different things that people are searching for, which is something that would be a big help. So we are able to use this tool over here, and I'm able to put your website in, and it comes up with the analytics of your website. So first off, you are able to see the trust and the strength with Google. So this is on a scale of 100. Now the goal is to get those boosted up and try to keep them as even as possible. Now, the next thing we were talking about here was keywords. So you are indexing for 12 keywords at the moment. So the idea is to also be able to look at your competitors in the area, see what keywords they're indexing for, and especially focus on buyer intent keywords. That helps lift your website, especially when it comes to Google. Now, another thing I want to go over is backlinks. You are indexing for 31 backlinks from 11 different domains. Now, a backlink is anything where one website links to another website. So these links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google then uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. Now, not all backlinks are the same. Some are more spammy and some are more authoritative. So you really want to go after the links that are more authoritative and will bring that power to your website. And I'll be able to show you here in just a moment comparison to another website. So the idea is to get you onto the map pack here. This is the bread and butter of where you're going to get all of like the main clients coming through. When anybody's looking for your services in your area, this is where they're going to go to first, are these businesses on this front page. So anywhere on these first three on the map pack, and usually down here in the organic listings, this is the best place to be on Google. Now, the next thing I want to go over with you is citations. So citations is going to be anywhere your business name, phone number, and address are listed on things like Yelp, Better Business Bureau, and anywhere that you can get your name out there, it's going to be able to build relevance with your website and just help you overall. Now, another thing is on your Google business profile, they give you an About Us section. You have 750 words in that About Us section. So the idea is you're going to want to fill out that whole thing completely, but also place keywords in that section as well. You want to be very responsive to your reviews and messages. Make sure you also keep posting weekly branded posts and geolocated photos with your social media as well, and that's going to definitely help with your relevance. So I took a look at one of your competitors here. Just taking a look, you can see they have quite a bit of content on the front page here, but this is where we want to look, is the analytics. So they have 320 backlinks coming from 90 referring domains, and they have 641 keywords. And you see that's bringing them over 1,000 people, so that traffic to their website. So the idea is we want to be able to look at your competitors and see which backlinks we can utilize. Definitely want to take those authoritative backlinks, and we want to make sure that we can use them with your website as well. But the idea is not only to utilize those backlinks, but we want to also be able to then get more than your competitors. Then we get to look at their keywords here. And like I said, the idea is to get buyer intent keywords. So like looking here, HVAC Colorado Springs. That volume, there's 1.4 thousand people searching for that. This is where we definitely want to start looking at what keywords want to be utilized on your website. So I just want to say thank you for letting me show you this video and going over these things with you. I am going to be sending over this with my information. You can call, text, email, whatever works best for you. If you ever have any questions, please feel free to let me know. And once again, thank you for your time. I really appreciate it.